It already started.
Welcome, it's Ali A. Okay. It's Mangs here, and today we're gonna play Fire Emblem 7.
If it were Max, you'd be like actual shit.
If I was Mangs, I was.
Ali A here. Okay. You've had like what, 7 save files already. We've been trying to do this forever. So
Yeah, let's
just do prologue again.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I totally.
Wait, you gotta restart. Shit. You
No, never mind.
Okay, fine. We're skipping the prologue because Lynn is absolute garbage.
Yeah, let's go with that. Say, child. I want to talk to you about something. Okay? You go read this.
Mana. Vad fan? Du kan titta på. You have some experience in the ways of war, I can see. This game, man. Why? Why are you playing this?
I don't know, you made me.
What decisions drove you to play this garbage game? It doesn't get good until Elwood joins. Okay, who cares about your garbage story? The father was killed.
Although, let's just skip the story. No one cares.
Fuck you, Lynn. We're just cutting young Nico out.
Child, give her your aid. Okay. Well, I'll give her aid. I made that joke already, but who cares?
Well, the prologue is lost in history. Actually, it isn't, because we're probably gonna add it together to this one. Why are you not saving?
I don't need to save. I'm that good.
Sure. Say that in chapter 7 when you die the first time and you realize, wait, where's my previous save file? You have to do the whole in.
No, that's when I'm gonna stop, and I'm gonna start with another Fire Emblem game.
Okay, fine. There's an Iron Man run.
Yeah.
Meaning, if your character dies, you can't restart, and if your main character dies, it's game over. You're done with the game. So it's FE7 Iron Man. Now let's go with that.
I'm not gonna read these. People can read themselves.
Okay, that's a good point. Let's go child. What's your name, child? What's this PlayStation 1 music playing?
Ken is an asshole.
Okay, but Stain is a little bitch. Team's done no decent man, mom saying that might have blah blah blah.
Amongst Cavaliers.
So Satan and Kent are better than Lynn, so Kent is amazing and Satan is amazing and Lynn is absolute garbage. That's how simple it is. Lynn is better than Satan though.
We're being pursued. Huzzah! No, it's not Pen. Those men are out for blood. Alright, you the pretty one.
What is this, Mary?
This is Lindis. Is it not? What did you call me? Who are you? Such a waste, an absolute waste. I don't need to do the voices. I'm just gonna shut up.
Come on out, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're playing Fire Emblem 4. It has a lot of incest.
Okay, let's start with this.
I tried to talk to Max, but it didn't work.
You're called child. Indeed, I am.
Okay, shut the fuck up.
Okay, I'm gonna have to play this shit. Oh, okay. I'm gonna start with this as first. I don't get that. It's stupid.
It's a tutorial. You gotta deal with it. The game is awful. You're gonna miss now, and he's gonna place and hit you.
Oh, I missed. Yes, I get it.
There you go.
Yay! Okay, I understand. Child, allow me to make up for my companions' Bunda.
Okay, so Zane is basically Anakin, Kent is Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Lynn is not Padme. Lynn is actually a Star Wars character in Star Wars.
Jar Jar. They say Jar Jar Binks,
It's not
but
Jar Jar.
not him.
Hold on, let me think. Star Wars character in Star Wars. Lynn is Rey. Absolutely
Yeah,
shit.
yeah,
Doesn't do
yeah,
anything, but
that's-
she's Mary Sue, so she can't die.
That's valid. That's actually right.
And like a hint. Oh, Kent is
Yeah.
That's why Kent is better.
That is called odds.
Feeding kills to Lynn is like feeding kills to Nino. Worthless, absolutely worthless. Look at our short stick. It's not even short.
Give me a chance.
Last chance.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Oh.
Okay. Take this. Password.
You're gonna miss and the guy's still gonna hit you.
No, no. Yeah. Says Is that Japanese thing? Probably. No. This is no jest. He said it. He said jest.
Who says chest?
Some freaks called Sane.
He's insane.
Oh, that's a good one.
We're really bad at commentary.
We're getting better.
Getting better, okay. So,
This-
anyway,
No, yeah.
I'm gonna explain my story. Fire Emblem. This is my first Fire Emblem game, and for that reason alone, I just can't call it bad. But if I look at it objectively, it is a really boring Fire Emblem game. It's extremely easy, and there's really nothing like interesting to it. You can't break the game like Awakening. You don't have any challenge like in Thracia. It's just you play it basically. There's really no risk or anything. It's just the story is fine. The gameplay is meh at best.
Noted.
I mean, okay, I can't say anything about the tutorial. The tutorial is absolute garbage.
I think like the animations are really cool. They're like one of the best.
Well, that is actually a fact. Game Advance games have really good animations. It's like compared to Sword and Shield on the Switch. There's some good shit. Okay, I know comparing Fire Emblem to Pokemon is kind of hard, stupid because you have to press A. That's because Pokemon's never had really like the best animations in the world. But come on, you have the Switch with amazing specs and capability. Okay, I mean it's not the best console out there, but it is really darn good. And then you have Game Boy Advance, which can only do so much. And I know these are sprites, and I know the Switch is pretty, and I know it's Pokemon, but goddamn, they could at least put some effort into the game. So Alpha Rat really likes Lynn, even though Lynn is absolute garbage. So Alpha Rat's opinion was wrong. I think everything from here onward is completely champs. I recommend using Kent as the same because Kent is just better, but it's up to you.
And it's feisty.
This weekend.
It's not that bad, honestly.
Okay, this is a tutorial. You can't really say anything. Why do you? What are you doing?
No, I can't. I thought I had it. No.
What did you have?
Vuora. My turn.
Yeah.
I didn't. Turn.
Okay. English.
Turno. In Italia.
Just send Lynn to kill the boss, and then that's it. Use an item when she's dying, or don't. She's not dying apparently, according to you now. Christ, I'm not dead. Bad game, bad design.
I'm dead, just here. Good job, Kent. You did something.
So look at this amazing level up. See? Persistence, that's all you need.
That's all. That's the only thing you need in life. Resistance.
That's why if you die in the tutorial because you just can't. Or if you die in this chapter because you're already capable of using fully managed and all that. Okay. Same as a powerhouse, but you slow AF.
My leg.
High quality animations.
Rescue this MF.
Why would you do that?
That's just strategy.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do this. Just gonna
Can't.
buckle up some, juice, Some.
You can place Lyn in front of the boss and then do something that will visually heal and the boss will attack her on an enemy face.
Well said.
It's just I don't want to help you out. This is I'm properly playing.
My leg is not killing me. No, I'm gonna just drop this MF here. And then I'm just gonna do this. And Ka-chow Lao. No, actually that was bad enough. Actually that was
die.
No, I'm not.
Wait, Lyn might actually be able to kill him. Say
Don't be silly.
Wait, check out their levels. Check out their levels. You should probably spread XP among these three evenly. She's level 2. She's gonna level up from any kill, not just a boss kill. Check out Kent. You can go down, I think. Yeah. Sane is level 1, and Kent is level 2, so you can get this kill to Sane. So just move Kent out of the way,
Okay.
and then kill the guy with Sane. Put a gun against his head. Bad game. Easy as shit. I haven't played Game Boy Advance FE in ages, but well, he didn't even get a level up to that bad human, bad character.
Koko jalka puutunut. Koko. I'm kidding.
What are you doing? Okay.
That was a cool one. I like that picture.
Enough of this Lights of Lucia. Okay, you were going to share your story with me.
No.
No. Yes. Okay.
Fine.
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
I'm not gonna pronounce these names.
No, me neither.
But you know what? I'm gonna read the story now because no one is doing it.
Stupid.
Lucia, that's the country beyond the mountains in the southwest, isn't it? You gotta do the...
You ruined my commentary!
Kenobi accent, okay?
Correct. Please come out. Come as best member. Ha-ha! Messengers. To the lady, Madeline, who eloped. What is that word?
Eloped!
No, it's not. It's developed English, for God's sake. With a nomad, some 19 years ago. I can't. With Madeline. My lord, the Marquess of Kaelin's only daughter. Yeah. Okay. He was heartbroken. His own daughter would abandon him. So I'm speaking Chinese now. We're gonna get demonetized for sure.
Eventually, the Marquess simply declared that he had no daughter. Wow. And then this year, we received a letter from Lady Bitchface.
Okay, so apparently, Sane just
Sane is the American.
His accent just changed, poof, like that.
Sane is the American. Kent is the British one.
But
neither of them are British. Matthew is actually the only British one in this whole story. So,
okay,
and their daughter were living happily on the Sakai Plains. Okay, yeah.
Oh god, my leg. The Marquez.
was just ecstatic to learn.
Marquez.
Marquez Brownlee.
Yes.
Was ecstatic to learn that he had a granddaughter of 18. See, she's exactly 18, so that she's legal.
Yeah, they had to.
I remember that smile on his face when he announced that he'd suddenly become.
The grandfather.
Yes, that's still the British accent, just doing the wrong first.
The granddaughter's name is Lindis.
Now everyone is British in this game. Okay, this was also.
No, they're gonna change it in between. So that's good.
This was also the name of the Marcus's wife.
Oh, you me Tom! He passed away at an early age. That was.
That should be Saint's accent in this one.
I can't do that. Just. She bears this name, Ford the Marquez.